Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed something very interesting. In the last 24 hours, there's been a big change to the way the crypto market has been playing out. First of all, you might have noticed that Bitcoin was able to sustain the price close to 118,000, but majority of the altcoins experienced a little bit of pullback, including XRP, which went from like $1.60 all the way down to $3. But does this mean the market is now no longer in a boom run? And the simple answer is no, and the altcoin season is still up. Just to give you an idea, if you just go to the meme coins category, you'll realize that majority of the top 3 tokens are still being extremely volatile, and that means there is a lot of money that's flowing through. I always get asked this question, Sky, what are some tokens that you are paying attention to and you recommend to buy into? Now the token which I want to show you is PEPE Ascensión. Now this, let me tell you, when the meme coins were doing extremely well, the token that's done exponentially well is obviously PEPE, and this one is pretty much trying to make a better version of PEPE which has a lot of utility. First of all, seamless connection between Ethereum and PEPE chain, minimal transaction cost, increased throughput 100 times quicker than Ethereum. Step into the golden era of memes where Adventure PEPE has unearthed an ultimate treasure, a revolutionary layer 2 blockchain, and let's just say the adventure is about to begin. There are hints of CEX listing, and at the same time whale transactions are absurd. Now the easiest way to see the whale activity is simply look at the PEPE Ascensión whale activity. Now you guys can see these are some whales which are buying extreme amount of PEPE Ascensión, and that gives you perspective that the whales are accumulating. They want to ensure that they do not miss out, and it's not just one. There is another one from MEXC and there is another one from Binance. So this gives you perspective that there is a lot of, eyeballs on this, and at the same time eyeballs which can afford to use a lot of their money to ensure that they're able to make a lot of profit. So this token does hold a lot of value. Just keep in mind this token is still in a pre-sale stage. It's pretty much about to come to an end. They've already raised about $26 million. That does not mean that you're late, because this is still very early. Keep in mind Bybit, Kraken, MEXC, these are some of the small names which have already announced that they will be listing the token soon as it goes live. At the same time, you can see it's been promoted by one of the largest YouTubers around the world, and they do have a lot of connections. That's all I'm going to say, because being able to get so many different YouTubers to actually be interested already gives you a perspective at TradingView, and then Binance Square and MarketWatch. About this, well, DEX, first of all, well, trade your tokens on our lightning fast desk with a bridge. With bridge secure, moving between chain is smoother. Staking, now staking is also very big. Keep in mind, initially when it started, the staking rewards was much higher, but as more people are buying into it, obviously the percentage is going to go down. Currently it's still in a very good condition, sitting close to 150%, and there is a lot of chance for this to do extremely well. I mean, after you buy the token, if you're waiting for the pre-sale to come to an end, you can just stake it away and obviously get a little bit of profit while you're waiting. At the same time, the pump pad. Now this is going to be the big deal. 2-click launch. Got a dream of meme coin? With just 2 clicks it's up and running. No coding, nothing to worry about. Anti-rug security, pump for profit, and pump.fun, but on Ethereum. So you guys can understand it's actually a very simple concept, and at the same time they're trying to use the idea of PEPE and make it better by adding utility. At the same time, this is going to be their tokenomics. 47% goes to the development, 30% to staking, 10% to marketing, 7% to liquidity, and 5% to the team. With the roadmap looking pretty good with the launch of PEPE token, community building with the early supporters, partnership to establish a strong foundation, then get the pre-sale rewards for early adopters, and community engagement through viral campaigns, and then get the layer 2 blockchain running and have a lot more growth after that. Now you guys can see it's got a lot of very interesting things going its way. At the same time, they've come across and done their audit with no problems to the code that they have created. Their Instagram has about 2,000 followers, and at the same time their Telegram is sitting at about 4,000 subscribers. subscribers there. Now if you do want to purchase this, it's very simple. You just click the link in the description, it will take you to this website. You just need to click on connect wallet, and then you guys can just select the wallet that you personally use, and then you can just put in how much Ethereum or BNB that you guys would like to convert into PEPE, and then you guys just need to purchase. Don't forget to actually stake it away if you do decide to purchase it, so you can still make profit while you're waiting. At the end of the day, this is still a meme coin, and this is not financial advice, so make sure you guys do your own research before you put your money into anything, but it's just my personal opinion. I do see some very good potential coming forward with this token. Other than that, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you very soon.